Hello ladies and gentlemen, have a nice day. I am greeting you from a farm, which I call farm. Everybody else calls it a place, that they have a place, but I think it's a farm. And it's beautiful here, it's not far away from the city where I stay. They have an interesting fruit, I'll show you. I've never seen this. I don't know if you can see it. Probably not very well. Interesting one. I forgot how it's called. Pitaya por lá. Something like that. They have a lot of mango trees. This is mango. That's for us. What it is, we all plant the apples. They have mango trees. Beautiful places. There is a small house. And they have a lot of mosquitoes here too. I did already put repellent on, because without the repellent you can't really do anything here. So this is a small banana tree. Small banana. God knows what it's up here. No idea. No idea. And then they plant a lot more. Trying not to move a lot with the camera, but it's impossible because there are a lot of mosquitoes trying to bite me in between. Okay, they have lemons. Lemons are here. And then they have the lime tree here. They have a lot of these limes, and it costs nothing. It's like almost for free. And then they have zucchini around here. Then they're going to have beans planted here. There are some beans here. Beans. And then many more trees. Which, guys, I would like to tell you what they are, but I forgot because they all have a lot of names that I don't really know. This one, this beautiful flower, is maracujá, which I like. Oh my god. Hey, there was a beautiful bird. Where did you go? Where did you go? Okay, we don't know. Left. Left. Yeah, I wanted to tell you that I love caipirinha from maracujá. Maracujá, delicious. More lemons. Manga. Another manga. And then they have a lot of other things planted right here. They told me these were beans, but I don't really know. I don't know how the beans look like when they're planted. And then there are a lot of bananas. Yeah, there are going to be a lot of bananas right later on. My god, a nice place. It has to be so quiet here when there are no people. Okay guys, so you have a beautiful day. I hope you enjoyed my little tour. And I'm going to eat this because I don't know how it tastes. So I'll enjoy it. So you guys have a nice day. Bye bye.